This is the RickRak Universal Bar Mount Clamp for GoPro cameras. Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Urlacher here, lawabidingbiker.com. Thank you for checking back in. In today's video, we're going to specifically review this universal bar mount clamp from RickRak. Don't forget, we have a lot of different GoPro camera mounting solutions for your motorcycle, all available in the Law Abiding Biker store. Links in the description below. Different mounts for GoPro have different purposes. This is one of my favorite from RickRak. It's a very, very solid mount. I love it that it can go around any round bar on your motorcycle and you can quickly clamp it. It's very, very secure. Don't worry, it's not going to scratch because it has rubber sleeves around the clamping portion. Want to save money, wrench on your own motorcycle, be entertained, and be part of the #1 online biker community? Every time that subscribe button, bell icon, or hit, another biker joins the revolution. All right, with that said, let's go ahead and get this installed, and then we're going to take you out on the road and attach a GoPro and show you some clips. Okay, this is our RickRak GoPro bar mount solution. And you can see it's just got the T-handle on it there. This is very, very simple. You can put it on any round bar basically on your bike, whatever position you want. It's got lots of options, and then simply just tighten it down like he did. And then your standard ball head, and of course get that up on there. And then you've got the jam nut, and he can kind of adjust that head really however he wants, or whatever angle, to the side, to the front, whatever you want. A lot of possibilities with that. All right, and of course your GoPro, or any action cam with your swivel type mount there. Goes right on top, and this comes with the thumb screw, which is really nice. And again, lots of adjustments there forward and back, so a lot of options with this bar mount solution. Here's just another option. Of course, we mounted it on the side and put it up at a 90. Really, it depends on what kind of shot and what angle you're looking for. And just yet another solution. These are the saddlebag guard bars. A little bit narrower bars, but still clamps just fine, and this would be on the side position. And again, very universal. This is a round, luggage rack, and clamps on there just fine. You can get some shots to the rear. And if you like this video, if you like this mount or any of our GoPro solutions, don't forget to head over to lawabidingbiker.com/store. Get hooked up. We have them in stock right now, ready to ship to you.